Here is a classic way to make this popular street snack, which is also known as bread buns. It is soft inside, lightly golden outside, and perfect to eat plain or with a cup of tea. This is how to make this yummy snack. Sift in 4 cups of all-purpose flour into a large bowl. To the flour, add half cup of granulated sugar, a quarter teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix the flour to combine. Once done, make a well in the middle of the flour. Then crack in 1 large egg. Pour in 1/3 cup of melted margarine. Gradually pour in 1 cup of whole milk and mix the flour as you pour in the milk. Mix until the flour turns wet and a little bit crumbly. Once you have reached this stage, you can keep the spatula and then use your hand to bring the flour together to form a wet dough. Once a soft dough is formed, transfer it to a lightly floured surface. And then continue kneading this until you have a perfect dough just like this one. To know that your dough is properly kneaded, poke it with your finger. It should gradually bounce back. Go ahead and place the dough in a greased bowl. Cover with a cling film and then rest it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, bring out the dough and knead for about 2 minutes. Once you have done that, divide the dough into 2 equal parts and then keep one side apart. With your rolling pin, roll the dough to about a 1/4 inch thickness. After flattening out the dough, use a knife to divide the dough into 2. Then keep one side apart, starting from the long side and not from the short side. Lift the edges closest to you and roll tightly but gently. So when you reach the end, press gently to seal. Now use a sharp knife to cut the log into equal pieces, about 1 inch thick. Do this until you are done with the whole log. Now arrange the pieces on a flat dish and then set that aside. It's time to roll the second dough. For the other half of the dough, just roll this out into a flat dough. Use a sharp knife to cut out the irregular sides so you could have a rectangular shaped dough. Go ahead and cut the dough into thick or white stripes. Further cut the stripes into fat squares. and then set them aside. It's time to fry your bread buns. Pour some cooking oil into a deep pan, just enough to cover your dough. Once the oil is heated, gently drop the dough pieces into the hot oil. Fry the buns on one side for about 3 minutes. Then flip all the pieces over and fry the opposite side for 3 more minutes until they are slightly golden. Once you have this really beautiful color, just like this one, take them out of the oil and drain in a colander. Add the other pieces to the oil and fry until they are evenly brown. Then drain them in a colander. And here you go, these milky bread buns are ready. They are pretty easy to make and enjoy in the comfort of your home. Just take a look at the inside. It is crumbly outside and lightly fluffy on the inside. Oh, this tastes really good. I hope you will make this easy treat after watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comments. You can like this video and also subscribe to Onyx Food Hill to watch more videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!